SHIBA is up over 9% of the day. It's been up this entire day, October 3rd, on a Sunday. But I'm going to show you a couple of things of why I believe in over time, the price will continue to grow. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. SHIBA, I'm telling you, is something to at least consider if you don't know already. Now, one of the things I like about SHIBA, obviously the price is going up, but the number of holder addresses continues to grow over time. Now it's up to 672,000. That number, I believe, is even higher than that because I'm seeing September 30th, the number here, but today is October 3rd. So you know that's a growing number each and every single day. So that's one reason. The second thing is, I believe this is the future in terms of the ecosystem, in terms of payroll, paying things on online stores and physical stores. This came out not that long ago of now payments. Now you can use SHIB part of the payroll, charities, physical store, online stores, and other things. This is really big because now you can use your SHIB for like payroll. Hey, just pay me in SHIB. Pay me in SHIB. Or if I want to do a charity, here is my 2 million SHIB for your charity. Then that money can grow over time, or those tokens can grow over time. They can really benefit those charities. So if I'm me, I would want to get paid in SHIB in terms of payroll. That's is my opinion, because I think that's the future and that's where we're going. So this is a big move by SHIB, huge move. And also Coinbase just got listed a couple of weeks ago. That's another thing why I'm bullish, because more people who get some crypto, they gonna know about SHIB pretty easy. Dogecoin and SHIB and Bitcoin. Those three right there, along with Ethereum, people gonna really know about them because they are ones of people more familiar with, and you're gonna see more marketing, advertising on those four as well. It's other ones, so I don't want to leave anything out. There's other ones as well, but those four there, you're gonna hear about it. I will say XRP, but soon you'll hear about XRP will be part of that bunch, in my opinion. Now, here's another article that came out that I was like, okay, this is very, very interesting. They're talking about, is SHIBA INU a good investment for you? In my opinion, by doing research, I think over time it's a fantastic investment, along with several other coins I won't mention. But anyway, this article is very interesting in saying that if you want to look into your digital wallet and see millions, billions, or trillions of something, you won't do better than SHIBA INU. But few experts would recommend that as a sound investment strategy. Yes, the thing about it is it's very volatile and it's very, very unknown still. But I think if you continue doing your research and you hodl and you have a good strategy, it could benefit you. Dogecoin really opened up the eye of crypto in terms of my opinion, other than Bitcoin. It lets you know that, hey, if I put money in something that has potential, it has a good chance of skyrocketing. But to me, SHIBA has more utility than Dogecoin, in my opinion, which meaning I think this has more potential. And I'll show you this right now, this slide right here. The SHIBA INU token Trifecta. This is one reason why I'm bullish on SHIBA. And that article there has something interesting, but they didn't cover some of the core aspect of the ecosystem. SHIB is the core token, basically, that you see there. Leash is the second more exclusive token. So basically, Leash is very important, and the price of Leash is still affordable. Then you got down here, you got Bone is the governance token of the SHIB army, and it's going to be part of the Doggy DAO. Bone holders, you have the ability to make decisions about how funds are spent and new tokens introduced in SHIBA Swap. These three tokens work in tandem and are powerful to be utilized with this whole process. So this is going to be really big here as SHIBA continues to grow. And then when I went to the SHIBA Swap, I'm like, okay, NFTs is coming. It's coming. It just said right here, it's coming basically soon. So once this happens, it's going to be another reason to be bullish on SHIBA ecosystem, not just SHIB, Leash, Bone, and also the new token that eventually come out at some particular point. So in my opinion here, hey, the SHIB is going up 7, 8, 9%. In my opinion, this is just a nice run today, but this is not showing exactly the potential of SHIB that was going to happen in the future, in my opinion. So I'm hodling very, very strong and waiting for even more productive news to come out. So it's a waiting game. I understand you waiting. You're like 1 cent, 1 cent. Listen, I'm gonna tell you something. It's gonna take a long time for 1 cent, but I do believe if I zoom in here like here, I do believe 1 0 would come across, and another 0 has the potential to come across, especially if Robinhood gets onto this in the future, and you got NFTs and more production happens with the whole Shiba Swap ecosystem. I do believe 2 zeros is inevitable. It will happen, in my opinion, based off the research. Yes, not financial advice, just basically giving you the strategy that I've actually found out. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. The captain is here just to give you my honest opinion. And I'm going to be coming out with some Shiba Swap tutorial training for beginners. I'm going to start doing more of those as well to help you out, just in case you won't SHIB, because I know you won't SHIB because you watched the entire video. Or you already have SHIB and you're just waiting for things to move. All right, I'll see you in the next video. If you don't have already, sign up for Coinbase underneath this video. Sign up for Coinbase. That's definitely going to help you. Or you can use eToro or any other links in the description to help you today. I'll see you on the next video.